Hey guys, Matt from Floyo here. I'm going to show you how to upload your own model. Just click on the My Files icon here in the sidebar. Navigate to the appropriate cell folder, just like you would in your own file system. In this case, I'm uploading a LoRA. Just give it a second to upload. All right. Hit refresh, and you should see it in your files. And also in your Load LoRA node. It's as easy as that. Thanks and happy creating.